All right, so I have a Daikin air conditioner, and I'm going to show you how to use the Daikin air conditioner. Here's my remote, and if you look up top, that is my Daikin air conditioner, and I'm just going to go over the controls and how to use this controller. So let me just go ahead and freeze the tripod so we can get started with this. So here is the Daikin right here, and I'm just going to go over the controls with you. 1 second. All right, so here is the Daikin. This is the remote control that you'll be using for some models. This is not, an answer for all models, but this particular model, it is an answer for. So here is the Daikin remote. And I'm going to go over with the basic controls for it. And so when you're using this remote, you want to make sure that you're pointing it directly at the air conditioning unit, because you want the sensor, similar to how a television remote works, is not obstructed by anything when it's reaching its signal up to the air conditioner. So we're going to start off with the most basic control, and that is the on-off feature. And I'm going to go ahead and press this. So did you hear that? That was an indication that the unit has been turned off. I pressed this and it turned off the unit. Yes, it's showing some of the controls right here. Some of the features that are on here, like the temperature and everything on here, but the unit is off. And you can take a look up at the unit if you need to indicate. There is an indicator, a green indicator light showing that it is on or off. The green indicator is off, so the unit is off. So I press this off button so I can still change the temperature and whatnot on the unit. But it is not actually controlling the unit. It's not changing the unit, but the minute that I turn it on, it will affect it. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button to turn it on. And the unit turned on, and I can go ahead and make changes to the unit. For right now, you can see right here, it says that is on. That snowflake right there is indicator that it is for air conditioner. All right. There is a power chill mode, all right, that this particular unit has, and that cools off the room very fast. Now, it is set to Celsius, and I'm going to go ahead and change the temperature. I can raise it by pressing up, and it raises it to a certain temperature. Turn it down. If I press this right here, it is the fan speed. I'm going to go ahead and press the fan speed. I just changed it to automatic. You can see there's an A right here. If I press it again, it goes to low. And if I press it again, it goes a step higher and a step higher if I press it again, and then back to automatic fan speed. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it to about medium. And then I'm going to drop down here, and there is a fan swing. Now this swings the fan, so it turns the air conditioning unit to the oscillating fan. Excuse me. And I can just go ahead and press this. And you see that the symbol is not on. So the oscillating fan part is not, the fan is not oscillating around the room. And so if I press it again for swing, it swings the vents. Now the vents go like this and that and this and that. And what it's basically doing is changing the direction of the airflow in the room. So it keeps on changing the direction, so it gets all parts of the room or more parts of the room chilled or heated. We'll go over the heat feature in a second with the fan blower. All right, so you have the swing. Now we went over temperature right here, right? Next, we're going to go over here to mode. Excuse me. I'm going to press mode. Excuse me. And mode changes it up right here. So I have chill. I have just the fan, and I believe that is heat right here, but I could be wrong. Now, if I raise the temperature up right here, it's still in chill mode. And when I put it on the fan, it does not turn it to a temperature. It just blows air. And right here. So this is an air conditioning unit. It does not come with a heater. Excuse me. It does not come with a heater. So this is just a chill unit, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it back to chill. I'm going to change the temperature down low. Now I'm going to change it to power chill. I'm going to go ahead and press that. You see there's a muscle person right there. I'm not going to say a muscle man or woman. It's a muscle person. All right. It looks like a person, doesn't look like a man or woman, right? All right. So press the power chill and it chills it fairly fast when I press the power chill. Okay. And to get out of the power chill, I just press it again. It takes it out of the power chill mode. Now we're going to go down to another thing. We're going to go over to the timer. Now there's a timer at the bottom of this, of the Daikin unit. There is an off, cancel, and on. We're going to go ahead and press this. I'm going to go ahead and press it on. Now, when you press on for this particular unit, it has a 3-hour on cycle. Let me press it on again. I can change the time. It keeps on going up. 3, 4, 5, 6. So the timer is set for this, so it'll turn off after that amount of time, which is good if you're trying to save energy. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press this. And it keeps on going up to 6, 7. You can have it up to, let's see how high it can go. I'm at 8, 9, 10 right now. 11, 12, 13, 12-hour timer. All right, so you can have it on. Go ahead, set it on for 1 hour. What if I press it off? If I press it off, okay, so that's the timer. So right here, you can set the timer for off. So it goes off in 5 hours. Or you can set it on, so it'll go on in whatever amount of hours. So I'm just finding this out. So you can have the timer to set to where it turns on at a particular time, or you can have it to where it turns off at a particular time. Great feature to have. Now, to cancel it, I'm just going to go ahead and cancel it. And it cancels the timer and it turns it off. So those are the basic functions for this particular Daikin air conditioning unit right here. I hope this was helpful. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was kind of confusing. It was. This does not replace your responsibility to read the owner's manual, user's manual before you operate this unit, so you know exactly what you're doing. Because clearly, I don't know exactly all the functions, but I hope this is a guide to lead you in the right direction. Thanks a lot for watching.